How to activate EBT Card Online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.ebtedge.com/activate. You will then be led to the official webpage of EBT. Go ahead and tap on the cardholder login button under the cardholder portal. You will then be led to the login portal of EBT. So, since we want to activate a new card, tap on the register here option you see there. You will further be required to enter a few details. So, go ahead and enter your user ID, password. Make sure to meet the password requirements while entering the password. That is, your password must include 8 to 16 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. It may also include special characters. Once you have entered your password, re-enter the same password and further enter your first name, last name, email address, and phone number and tap on the register button. If the details you entered meets the requirement, you will be asked to fill up a few security questions. So fill those in and tap on the Add button, and with this your card will be activated successfully. So this is how you can activate EBT Card Online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.